Good morning, everybody. Today is indeed a very special day. We are all assembled here to celebrate Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day. October 31st, the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, will henceforth be known as National Unity Day to honor him for his monumental contribution in India's nation making. I now request Vishal sir to address the students.
Good morning. India is the 7th largest and the 2nd most populated country in the world. Focusing on diversity, unity in diversity, Government of India has decided that 31st October, the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, will be celebrated as a National Integration Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas. Sardar Patel was born in 1875 in a very small village of Gujarat. Right from beginning, he was an outstanding student. He wanted to become a barrister, but due to limited financial resources, he could not even join college. But he was so passionate that he borrowed books from one of the lawyers, studied, appeared as a private candidate, and passed with flying colors. He became the first Deputy Prime Minister and first Home Minister of independent India. Today, we are celebrating National Integration Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas, not only to pay tribute to Sardar Patel, the Iron Man of India, but also to spread the message of unity, integrity, and security. Students, you people are backbone of our country. Today's youth is tomorrow's future. And what we expect from our next generation is to become sensitive, to become responsible, to be calm, and to have lot of patience. At the same time, remember, my dear students, it is the youth only which is always a soft target or being misled by anti-social elements. And the reason is very simple. Youth doesn't require any spark to ignite. You people have lot of energy, you people have lot of potential. But we have lot of hopes and expectations from you. And I'm quite sure that you people are going to build a better India. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel needs no introduction. An eminent lawyer, author, and a great statesman, he played a very important role in India's freedom struggle.
School stand before you to express my views against the topic unity in diversity. During my childhood, I first met India with these three words.
India is a reality. While browsing my old books, I came across really a thought-provoking news headlines. A 300-kilometer long human chain.
Present state of affairs. I totally disagree with my friend's opinion that there is unity in diversity.
से मिलजुल कर है मेरी इच्छा अब यही है मेरी इच्छा अब यही कि एकता भारत की यूं ही बढ़े अभी तक बाकी है नाम को दिशा हमारा कुछ बातें ऐसी है कि हंसती बिकती नहीं हमारी
All the results with me. To begin with, let's start with declamation, Hindi declamation. Devansh of Gurukul bagged the first prize.
Can we clap? Yes, that's nice.
Avni of Delhi Public School bagged the second position. Avni, where are you? Bharti of DAV Sector 8 Chandigarh, third position. Bharti is not here? Alright. Moving on to the jingles. JNV Mohali, Manvi and Aarti bagged the first position. Mansi and Mansi? First position. Second position has been bagged by Gyan Jyoti and the team comprised of Mahima and Avni. Third position has been bagged by Ridhima and Jaya of Shivalik Public School Sector Phase 6 Mohali. Quickly run to the stage. Very good. Moving on to the creative writing competition. First position has been bagged by Meghna and Prateek of Doon International Mohali. Trust me, it has been quite difficult to make the judgment because the entries were par excellence, all of them. Creative writing, Second position has been bagged by Iknoor and Ishan of Delhi Public School, Chandigarh. On stage quickly, please. Let's hear it for them again. Abhay and Janvi of Manav Mangal School, Panchkula have bagged the third position. This is creative writing. I think they've left. Moving on to debate. The first position has been bagged by Beauty and Sanjana of DPS Chandigarh. Are we, do you have the children here? Yes.